In this video, I'm going to show you how to redirect back to the multiple entries page after editing a single entry in GravityView. So as you can see, I've got a view set up here. It's a table layout, and it's showing a list of tasks that need to be completed. So I've also got this link to the edit entry page here, so I'll click on that. And here I can edit the entry. So for example, I'll change the status from active to on hold, and update. Now when I click update, you can see that it actually takes me right back to the edit entry page, and it's not really clear how I would get back to the multiple entries screen from here. So to change this, we need to update some view settings. So we'll edit the view. That'll take us through to the view editor. And now you need to scroll down to the bottom to the view settings box and click on the edit entry tab on the left. And now you can see there's a few different options. The one that we want to change is the redirect after editing. So by default, it's set to stay on edit entry, but we can change that, and there are a few different options. We can redirect to the single entry, the multiple entries, or even to a custom URL. So for our purposes, we're going to redirect to the multiple entry screen. So we'll select that option, scroll up and update the view. All right, so let's check it out on the front end again. Here we go. Let's edit that task again. And we'll scroll down and change the status again to active. Click update. And as you can see, that actually redirects us back to the multiple entries screen.